Good morning. So how you guys doing? The flight to Joliet is going to be relatively quick.
Hey, Joliet has a nice FPO.
Available. Alright, so something's getting my attention again here. Fuel flow is too high. And I'm unable to hear you. I have lost my Alt 1. I need to declare emergency. Mayday, mayday, mayday. And I need to land as soon as possible to Rome Alpha.
Hey guys, good morning. Back in Chicago Executive Airport here after a long week of repairs. Alternator brand new, testing everything, making sure everything works. So finally we got a brand new alternator, alternator 1, and she's good to go. Tested her yesterday. I did a few orbits over the field here, and we're heading back to Boca. Again, we'll stop at Lima Zulu uniform as always, Lawrenceville, and then we'll take it from there. All IFR today, but it's going to be nice for the first part. The second part is going to be challenging with thunderstorms and all kinds of things. So stay tuned.
Let's pick up the ATC.
Chicago Executive Airport Information Hotel 1452 Zulu. Wind 330 at 3, visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000.
Information Hotel. Executive ground, this is Cirrus November 712 Romeo Alpha at the signature ramp with Information Hotel looking to taxi southeast departure to the lakeshore. And Executive Tower, this is Cirrus November 712 Romeo Alpha holding short runway 16 ready for departure VFR southeast bound to the shoreline.
Cirrus 712 Romeo Alpha, runway 16 line up and wait, be ready to go, set on a 2-mile final.
Line up and wait, we'll be ready to Romeo Alpha.
Cirrus 712 Romeo Alpha, southeast departure approved, remain clear of the class Bravo, runway 16 clear for takeoff, no delay in the roll please.
Alright, clear for takeoff runway 16 clear for the Bravo to Romeo Alpha. Alright, full power, all pressure temperature looking good, airspeed is alive. For 70. And here it goes. Taps available. There's O'Hare over there.
It's not going to work for our approach. You want to be more northeast or northwest to remain clear of the 16 approach.
Alright, so we have Midway Airport to our left behind us. We're below their class Charlie anyway. We have Gary, Indiana over there, and now we're just going to climb. I'm just going to do a VFR climb to 9,500 feet. Chicago departure, good morning, Cirrus November 712 Romeo Alpha.
712 Romeo Alpha, go ahead.
Yeah, I'd like to pick up my IFR clearance to Lima Zulu uniform.
November 712 Romeo Alpha, squawk 3155, 3155.
3155 to Romeo Alpha.
November 712 Romeo Alpha, your radar contact 900 miles southwest of Gary Airport, Johnson Cape 6200, maintain VFR for now. The midway altimeter is 3003.
3003, position checks to Romeo Alpha.
November 2 Romeo Alpha, contact Chicago Center 132.5, they'll have your IFR for you, good day.
32.5, good day to Romeo Alpha. Chicago Center, good morning, Cirrus November 712 Romeo Alpha through 8,600 for the IFR.
Number 721 Romeo Alpha, Chicago Center, you're cleared to the Lima Zulu Uniform Airport via direct, climb and maintain 9,000.
Clear via the Lima Zulu Uniform via direct 9,000 to remember. Alright, let's check out to see what's going on with the weather up ahead. So, over here there's a air met for IFR conditions. In all honesty, I don't really see it. And there's clouds, low-lying clouds, but it's lifting, as you can see. We'll see how that continues further down after Lima Zulu uniform and what's going to be happening. So it's going to get definitely a little bit more interesting. It's definitely IFR here. When we look below, this is beautiful. I love that, or that undercast. Thank you so much, Alan, from Just Plain Tint, for providing the sample tints that you can just plug in anywhere. And this one I'm just going to put it over here because the sun is coming in and hitting me.
9313 Yankee, Indy approach, how did you read?
Let's give it a shot. That is very cool. I really like this product. I have perfect shade here. Check them out, guys. Testplanetint.com. Alright, so there's some weather coming up, so I'm gonna request to climb Louisville to Romeo Alpha.
2 Romeo Alpha, low approach.
And it looks like this I'll be in the clouds, and they look somewhat convective. I'd like to climb if possible about maybe 1,000 or 2,000 feet, 11,000.
Number 2 Romeo Alpha, climb maintain 10, 10,000 for now, and you want 11 or you want to see what it looks like at 10,000?
Let's see what it looks like at 10,000, then maybe I'm going to request 11 after that to Romeo Alpha next.
Great. Number 2 Romeo Alpha, you on course now?
Negative can be, and but I'd like to climb to 11,000 if possible to Romeo Alpha.
Number 2 Romeo Alpha, maintain 10,000 for now, and you can proceed on course.
Okay, on course, and 10,000 to Romeo Alpha next.
Number 2 Romeo Alpha, contact Indy Center on 121.17. They'll have higher for you. Good day.
At 121.17, good day. Indy Center, good afternoon, Cirrus November 71 to Romeo Alpha level 1010,000, looking for higher.
712 Romeo Alpha, Indy Center, climb maintain 10,000, the altimeter 29er.
1,000, thank you, to 999er, to Romeo Alpha. Much better out here.
Number 712 Romeo Alpha, have limit 2, Buzzing ready to copy.
2 Romeo Alpha is ready to copy.
Number 712 Romeo Alpha, you're now cleared to the Have intersection, which is Hotel Alpha Victor Victor Echo HAVVE, and direct Highlands, which is Hotel Lima November Delta Sierra HLNDS for the Buckhead 1 arrival.
Atlanta approach, good afternoon, Cirrus November 712 Romeo Alpha, cruising 5,300 for 5,000, and to have information, extract into Gwinnett.
Cirrus 2 Romeo Alpha, land approach, roger, expect the visual approach runway 25.
Expect the visual runway 25 to Romeo Alpha.
Cirrus 2 Romeo Alpha, clear direct Gwinnett.
Direct Gwinnett to Romeo Alpha.
Cirrus 2 Romeo Alpha, contact approach 126.97.
2697 to Romeo Alpha. Approach, good afternoon, Cirrus November 712 Romeo Alpha, level 5,000 with information extract into Gwinnett.
Cirrus 712 Romeo Alpha, you expect the visual approach runway 25, allow altimeter 3001.
01, and we'll expect the visual 25 to Romeo Alpha next.
Number 2 Romeo Alpha, descend and maintain 3,000, advise Gwinnett inside.
Alright, 3,000, and I do have the airport inside in. Gwinnett Tower, good afternoon, Cirrus November 712 Romeo Alpha on the visual 25.
Cirrus 712 Romeo Alpha, Gwinnett Tower, good afternoon. Enter right traffic for runway 25. Right now you're number 1, but we'll keep you advised when you get closer in.
Alright, right traffic, runway 25 to Romeo Alpha. Alright, quick fuel step and then we're out of here.
Cirrus 2 Romeo Alpha, the only traffic is helicopter right traffic just north of the runway. Runway 25 clear to land.
Alright, runway 25 clear to land to Romeo Alpha. Alright. Other side looks clear, and final is clear.
500. Sink rate. Pull up. Pull up.
Oh, come on.
Cirrus 2 Romeo Alpha, safe parking.
Jet center to Romeo Alpha. Alright, a quick stop here, no time for lunch.
Alright, hot engine start. Took 57 gallons of fuel. Clear prop.
Alright, let's pick up my clearance here. Atlanta departure, Cirrus November 712 Romeo Alpha. Looking to pick up my IFR clearance to Bravo Charlie Tango.
Cirrus 712 Romeo Alpha, squawk 2035.
2035 to Romeo Alpha.
Cirrus 2 Romeo Alpha, you cleared to the Boca Raton Airport via radar vectors, then direct Maddie, Dublin, flight plan route. Climb and maintain 1000, and turn left heading 090.
Left 090, Natty, Dublin, as filed to Romeo Alpha 11,000. And Atlanta to Romeo Alpha, any chance direct DBN?
2 Romeo Alpha, roger. You're cleared direct at Dublin, Delta Bravo November.
Direct Dublin to Romeo Alpha, thanks.
2 Romeo Alpha, that areas of minor heavy precipitation to 12 o'clock, 15 miles, less than 15 miles from your flight. If you do deviate at any point, just advise.
I will let you know, it looks okay right now, but I may need a few deviations, maybe a little bit to the left. I'll let you know, turn on, thanks.
2 Romeo Alpha, roger, you can actually contact Atlanta Center 123.95-2395, just let them know if you need it.
2395, thanks for your help, to Romeo Alpha. Atlanta, Cirrus 712 Romeo Alpha, level 110,000.
712 Romeo Alpha, that's your checking in to 11000, the Atlanta altimeter 3000.
3000, and I need a few degrees to the left, to Romeo Alpha.
712 Romeo Alpha, deviation left of course is approved and when able clear direct Craig.
Alright, when able direct Craig, thanks to Romeo Alpha. 9, good day, and I got approved to go direct Craig, so that's awesome. Hey guys, little update here. We're cruising at 12,000. We're about 54 miles north of Craig. It's going to be thunderstorms up ahead. We'll see how I'm going to negotiate all that stuff. I come with 12,000 because, you know, the higher you are, it's a little better for those thunderstorms. They're about 35 minutes away from Boca. They're sending us to Pahokee. After they sent us out by the ocean, I had some amazing shots of the Cape Canaveral. That was great. And now they're sending us to Pahokee, but there's a bunch of thunderstorms there. So there's a little bit of precip that we see here. Maybe I'm going to go a little bit to the right. And you know, there's more up there, so we'll see how I'm going to deal with that a little later. It looks like in the backside of it, past Pahokee, and then maybe a little farther south, I can find a hole to squeeze in through there, directly, basically west-southwest of Boca.
Number 2 Romeo Alpha, you're going to need to deviate for that precipitation starting by 8 miles.
I think that's okay from what it looks like from here, so we'll let you know to remember.
Wow.
A little bit of rain. No big deal, really. Alright, let's get the weather into Boca.
Boca Raton Tower Nation, Whiskey 2050 Zulu observation, wind 240 at 10. Visibility 10. Thunderstorms in the vicinity. Sky scattered clouds 3,500. Temperature 282.23, altimeter 3004. Remarks, lightning distant all quadrants.
Alright, we do have information on Whiskey. They'll be using runway 23. Good evening, sir. November 712 Romeo Alpha, level 8000, information Whiskey.
712 Romeo Alpha, Palm Beach approach, Palm Beach altimeter 3008, expect runway 23.
We'll expect that to Romeo, thanks. And Palm Beach to Romeo Alpha, question.
2 Romeo Alpha, good.
To Pahokee, on that line to Boca, what do you see on your radar?
2 Romeo Alpha, that's, you can expect, actually after Pahokee, flighting 170, and you can expect to be on that vector for probably till just about your due west of Boca, and then left turn eastbound direct to Boca. That'll keep you about 3 to 4 miles south of the line of precip.
Yep, that's what I was thinking, 170 as well. Okay, thanks to Alpha.
November 2 Romeo Alpha, descend and maintain 5,000.
To maintain 5,000 to Romeo Alpha. My radar screen has not updated in 21 minutes. That's kind of odd.
November 2 Romeo Alpha, how have your flight conditions been so far?
So far so good. It's all nice and clear here, smooth as glass, and you know, I mean, there's clouds all around, but I mean, the clear right here. I mean, there's rain up ahead, not too much though, and to the left it's pretty messy towards you over there. Romeo Alpha.
2 Romeo Alpha, thanks. Number 2 Romeo Alpha, south of Pahokee until we get you over eastbound, like I said, to a point about due east to west of Boca. It looks nothing more than light precipitation, maybe some occasional pockets of moderate, but most of the heavier and extreme precipitation is well east.
We'll plan for a 170 heading after Pahokee, if you don't mind, and then I'll let you know if I can get a little closer to the east towards Boca to Romeo Alpha.
2 Romeo Alpha, contact approach on 125.2, 25.2, and just let him know what you need.
25.2, thanks, have a good day. Talk to you later, Romeo Alpha. Palm Beach approach, good evening, Cirrus November 712 Romeo Alpha with you, 5,800 descending to 5,000.
November 712 Romeo Alpha, Palm Beach approach, expect the visual approach runway 23 at Boca. From there, I'd suggest about heading 165.
Yep, I was just thinking about the same thing I wanted to ask you. 165 will work perfect until it gets a little better towards Boca. I'll expect the visual 23 to Romeo Alpha, thanks. And I do have information on whiskey.
November 2 Romeo Alpha, send and maintain 4,000.
4,000 to Romeo Alpha. Alright, let's see how this heading 165 will do.
November 2 Romeo Alpha, I have an aircraft going the way you just came. Could you pass on a pilot for him?
Absolutely, here at 4,300 feet, it's nice and smooth, no rain. This heading up to Pahokee, 165 to 170 heading is perfect. You don't want to go any farther east from here because as I can see a lot of lightning, but it's a good route after Pahokee, south of Pahokee, to Romeo Alpha. And to Romeo Alpha here, it looks like I can do that in Boca right now.
2 Romeo Alpha, clear direct to Boca when able.
Alright, direct Boca to Romeo Alpha.
Number 712 Romeo Alpha, clear visual approach, runway 23 at Boca.
Clear for the visual 23 at Boca to Romeo Alpha.
2 Romeo Alpha, contact Boca Tower, 118.42.
Boca Tower, thanks for your help, to Romeo Alpha, good day. Boca Tower, good evening, Cirrus November 712 Romeo Alpha, 8 miles west inbound on the visual runway 23.
712 Romeo Alpha, Boca Tower, on a right base, runway 23, clear to land.
Miss Grace is back home after a long time. It's clear, the side is clear, both flaps.
500.
Alright, if we continue, all good.
Just 2 Romeo Alpha, you going to the northeast?
Actually, I'm gonna go tie down at Atlantic today. I have the Cherokee in the hangar to Romeo Alpha.
Just 2 Romeo Alpha, taxi to the ramp via Papa, this frequency.
To the ramp via Papa with you, to Romeo Alpha.